Okay, this is going to be about repairing the Target Midway multicade. That's what it looks like, but mine is in pieces. I had to take it apart because my left joystick decided it was no longer going to move left. Now there's a few videos online about repairing joysticks, but most of them don't show how to get in there. It's kind of dark. The only way I could get to the joystick is through the bottom of the cabinet. So I had to take off the base and the marquee to take off this panel here to get to the bottom of the joysticks. It sounds like they're cherry switches, which would be good, except I can hear it click, and if it's clicking, maybe the switch isn't bad, maybe it's something else. I'm hoping it's just the microswitch or maybe a loose wire, because when I play it, I kind of walk it out from the wall a bit and then I have to walk it back, and I'm hoping maybe I just knock something loose. But I call it my Robotron machine because that's really all I play on it, even though it has all these games on it. I only play Robotron. High score on this game, this unit, is 540,000. So it's worth it to me to fix it. I think I can get to the base if I take out these screws here, these along here, and over on the side. That's the magnet for the door catch. And then I can take off this panel. I have to get those. But I also have to get over here. There's a screw on each side that holds that front panel in. I think if I get those screws out, I could just slide it past this big bar here without removing that. I mean, it's not a problem to remove. I think I might be able to slide that back area out without removing it. Okay, that wasn't too bad. I took out all the screws. I took off the front plate, which has little tiny metal things that attach it, so you have to kind of pry it up gently. And then I slid out the board just like I thought might work, and it worked. Yay! Now I have to open up that case on the bottom here. Can't quite read what that says. Let's see what that says there. Big electronic games made in China. Alright. I got some screws way down in those holes. I'll probably need a different screwdriver because mine's too fat for that. That should get me to the joysticks and buttons and all kinds of wires that I don't know what they are. So, loads of fun. Alright. Okay, I got the screws out of the areas up here. And then, surprise, there's more down here. 3 little screws down there. I need to get those out. Success! I tried to pull it up, and the big black cover came off, and I have the joysticks. Look at that! Okay. Now, I have no idea what I'm looking at, really, but, you know, I'm sure I can figure this out. Okay. The first obvious thing is that crimp right there. I don't know if this is clear enough to see. There is a big crimp in the ribbon there. Okay, see that crimp right there? That I said, oh, bad news and everything? Okay, if I squeeze that, I can't do this and hold the camera at the same time. Anyway, if I squeeze this straight from the crimp, let's see if I squeezed it enough. No, I didn't. I can't do both. Well, you can hear it. I will set the camera down. This is me squeezing it and pressing left. Oh, now it won't do it. Of course. There we go. You hear that? That is it going left. It's the ground in the ribbon. Oh, sweet. I might be able to fix that. Okay, after careful consideration, I decided that nick right there in the wire, you can see that. I don't think this will focus that good on it, yeah, I'll have to take the wire off the ribbon and splice in a piece there because I can't make a connection otherwise. Okay, since I don't have the convenience of taking this out because of all the nice little solders on each end of this ribbon, I'm going to use the particle board here as my work table, and I'm going to use box cutter to separate the wire from the ribbon. Okay, so there we go. I thought I cut clean through it, but instead it just pulled away. I just nicked it a little bit, which was kind of hard because I had to do it right-handed. So I'm ready to make a splice in there. Okay, I found a donor wire from an old DSL cable, and it's the same type of wire, so I don't feel that bad about it. Okay, I'm going to let you look at my horrible splice. It's not good. And this is not the way you should do it. I mean, you should wrap them around better, or you should solder them, you should use a shrink thing, but I don't have the shrink thing, and I'm good with this as long as I could play Robotron. I'm going to put electrical tape on it, not the shrink stuff. I don't recommend doing it this way. I'm just saying this is how I did it, okay? Okay. That is my finished splice, and it looks better than ones I've made before, so I have hope that it will work. There's still a little crimp you can see in the ribbon there, but I don't think that interferes with play. We'll see. Alright, I got... It is working. So, I probably haven't broken anything. I'm going to put it back together, and I'm going to play Robotron.